Hey, this is Aaron with SimpleTix.com. In today's video, we're going to be showcasing the Star TSP 100 model printers and how to use the cash drawer. So if you're looking for the video on how we paired it with the Star MC Print 3 model, look in the description. We have a video on how to do it with this one. But for now, we'll be showing you the Star TSP 100 models. Here is the Bluetooth version, and we're going to connect it with our iPhone here. And over here is the USB version. We'll be connecting with the iPad in this demo. All right, let's dive in. We're gonna start off with the TSP 100 USB version, and it's connected to the cash drawer here, and it's also connected to this device right here. So in the back, the RJ45 cable is connected to the bottom of the cash drawer, which allows it to open. And over here, it's connected to the iPad just to get the tickets. All right, so the very first step is when you click, basically click admit, and then jump into any of the settings. And then from the settings screen, just make sure you have the TSP 100 USB selected and have the cash drawer turned on. So let's do a test. I will click sell tickets. I'll choose an event. And I will choose 2 tickets. I'll click add to cart. I'll click checkout now. And I'll choose cash. I'll skip this page for inputting the customer details. I'll click pay. So our order total is $32.02. So the amounts that the customer could give us is $35, $40, a $50 bill, or a $100 bill. So let's say they give us a $40, basically 220. So I'll click 40. I'll click place order. This automatically opens up the cash drawer, as you can see. And now if I want to print the tickets, I'll click print right here. And you can see our receipt and the e-tickets right here. Now let me show you a TSP 100 model printer that's the Bluetooth version connected to an iPhone. So over here in our settings area on the iPhone, I will ensure that we have the Star TSP 100 Bluetooth selected, and we also have the cash drawer turned on. So now let's head over to order some tickets so I can show you what the flow would look like. So here we have our Bluegrass event. I'll go ahead and select tickets for that one. I'll grab 2 tickets, and I will click add to cart, and I will click checkout now. And I will choose it as cash as well. I'll go ahead and skip the customer input screen. So let's say the person gave us a $50 bill. I'll choose 50. I can see the change due is $17.98. I will click place order. The cash drawer has opened, so I can give them their change of $17 and so cents. I'll go ahead and close the drawer right now. And if I want to print the tickets, I'll just click print right here. And here's our tickets. If I would like to mark them admitted, I can go ahead and click mark admitted and let them into the venue. However, if we had a doorman down the hall that was actually going to scan the tickets, they can scan these tickets. Hey, thanks for watching our video today where we connected 2 different types of TSP 100 model printers to Apple devices. Over here we had the Bluetooth device that we connected with an iPhone. Over here was the USB version that we connected to an iPad. Both of them were connected to the Star cash drawer using an RJ45 cable. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and be sure to subscribe. That way you get a notification every time we release a new video.